The moment you opened your eyes this morning, you had a choice to stay the same or to show up for yourself in a way that your future self will thank you for. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe life's been throwing stress your way. Or maybe you're just ready to finally feel good in your body, to finally feel in control of your health, to finally see that change in the mirror and in your mindset. Hey, welcome, I'm so glad you're here. Today is not about being perfect. It's not about comparing yourself to others. It's about starting where you are and showing up with what you've got. This is your space to sweat, smile, struggle a little, and feel stronger by the second. No equipment, no pressure. Just 10 powerful minutes to boost your metabolism, burn stubborn belly fat, and kickstart a day you can be proud of. Whether you've never worked out before or you're coming back after a break, this is your time. Your win. Right now, all you need is a little space, a little fire, and a belief that you deserve to feel good. Let's give it everything for the next 10 minutes. Your energy is about to shift. Your confidence is about to rise. You ready? Let's go. Exercise 1, high knees. We're kicking it off with intensity high knees. Think of this as your energy ignition. Stand tall, core tight, knees driving up toward your chest. Arms pumping in rhythm. Feel that fire starting to build? This isn't just cardio, it's your wake-up call. Your legs are working. Your heart's racing. Your metabolism just flipped on. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Don't think about fatigue, think about fat melting away with every step. Push through. Every knee lift is a decision to be better. You're not here to be average. You're here to level up. Last few seconds, can you go faster? Come on, leave it all on the floor. Exercise 2, plank to shoulder taps. Now we drop down to the mat. Hit a strong plank. Shoulders stacked over wrists. Core engaged. Now gently tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Slow and steady here. This isn't a race. This is about stability, strength, and total control. Don't rock your hips. Stay steady. Tighten that core. Your abs are fully engaged right now. And your shoulders? They're learning to hold you up stronger than ever. This is about discipline. About holding your ground when it gets tough. You're not shaking because you're weak, you're shaking because you're working. Breathe through it. You're sculpting your midsection one tap at a time. Exercise 3, jumping jacks. Alright, back up, we're going classic with jumping jacks. But don't just go through the motions. Stretch out, jump high, land soft. This move wakes up your entire system, cardio, coordination, core. And yes, it's shredding fat while boosting blood flow. Want to level it up? Try to speed up your reps. Want to scale it down? Step instead of jump, but never stop moving. This is your flow zone. Set your rhythm. Own your pace. Smile because you're doing something amazing for your body. Keep that energy alive. You're 1/3 of the way through already. Don't let go now. Exercise 4, mountain climbers. Hit the floor, time to climb mountains. Literally hands planted, core braced, drive those knees toward your chest one at a time. Fast like you're chasing your best self. This is a serious fat burner. Core on fire, shoulders engaged. Heart rate skyrocketing. This is the moment that separates trying from transforming. Eyes forward, back flat. Don't let the hips sag. You're in control, let's go. Push through the burn. Every second counts. You're building endurance and torching that belly fat. Exercise 5, standing oblique crunch. Back on your feet. Hands behind your head. Lift your left knee toward your left elbow, then switch. Twist from the waist. Squeeze your obliques. You're targeting the sides of your core here, yes, that stubborn waistline. This is how we get that toned, tight midsection. Keep your spine tall. Don't collapse. Exhale with every crunch. Feel those side abs light up. Slow it down if you need control. Don't rush, squeeze and pause at the top. Quality over quantity. You're carving out your waist. Own this move like you're sculpting your dream body, because you are. Exercise 6, burpees. Alright, here comes the legend. The burpee. It's hard, it's sweaty, and it works. Squat down, jump out to a plank, optional push-up, jump back in and explode up. Modify if needed, but keep going. This is the king of full body fat burning. Heart pounding, legs burning, core locked in. This is your breakthrough moment. Burpees break barriers. You're stronger than you think. One more and another, you've got this. Fight for that future you. Exercise 7, bicycle crunches. Hit the mat. Hands behind your head, elbow to opposite knee, extend the other leg out long. Then switch, just like pedaling but powered by your abs. This one's a core sculptor. Obliques, lower abs, upper abs, everything's activated. Keep your lower back pressed to the mat. Don't rush. Control the twist, feel every contraction. Look at you becoming unstoppable. Every rep here is chipping away at that stubborn fat. Don't stop now. Breathe with purpose. Twist with power. You're doing this right. Exercise 8, squat front kick. Feet shoulder width. Sink into a squat, then rise and kick forward. Alternate legs. You're hitting your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and your core. This is lower body strength with a twist of cardio. Visualize kicking through every doubt, every excuse, every barrier. Stay grounded in that squat. Don't just kick with intention. This is your power move. Let every squat remind you that you're building. Let every kick show you're unstoppable. Exercise 9. Plank hold. Elbows on the floor. Legs straight. Body in one line. Now freeze. This is your still strength. Your core is working overtime. So are your glutes, shoulders, and legs. You're not just holding a plank, you're holding your purpose. Breathe through the fire. Embrace the shake. That's where change lies. Focus your eyes. Steady your breath. This isn't just a challenge, it's proof that you don't back down. Stay locked in. This moment belongs to you. Exercise 10. Fast feet punches. Let it all out. Fast feet like the floor's lava. Add jabs, jab, cross, get fierce. Your heart's racing. Your body's buzzing. This is your finisher, the fat-blasting, confidence-boosting, full-body finale. Own this. End it strong, be proud. This is you, fast, powerful, and fearless. Every punch knocks out doubt. Every step moves you closer to your goals. Finish with fire. Go all out, you're almost there. Breathe that in, can you feel it? That's what progress feels like. That's what pride feels like. In just 10 minutes you chose to show up for your body, your health, your mindset. You chose discipline over comfort. That is no small thing. You moved through every second, every drop of sweat, every moment when your brain said stop but your heart said go. That matters. This workout wasn't just about torching belly fat. It was about proving to yourself that you are capable, that you are worthy of your goals, that you can keep showing up even when no one's watching. Listen, I know life gets busy. I know motivation can fade. But if you can carve out just 10 minutes for you each morning, just like you did today, everything starts to change. Your mood, your strength, your mindset, your body. You're not in this alone. We're building a stronger, more confident version of you together. So if you felt that shift today, if you're ready to stay on this journey with me, tap that like, drop in the comments, and hit subscribe so you never miss a beat. You just crushed this workout. Hold your head high. You earned this feeling. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep moving, keep believing, and never forget you're stronger than you think.